can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Viewers, welcome again to Tech World Vlogs on Tesla. I have another fantastic new product from a company that I absolutely love. Is Wyze, a very affordable company. They make great products. You've seen all those videos from Wyze on my channel. And so I have a new product that I've always wanted. This is the Wyze Handheld vacuum. This handheld vacuum has a runtime of 30 minutes and provide up to 2000 milliamps of battery. It is 569 grams in terms of weight, and it has some high suction power. And we're gonna explore, because I do need to vacuum my car, so I'm gonna give it a test run in my car vacuuming. One thing that I also love about this product that I saw on the website is the attachments. There's several attachments included. We'll check that out inside the box. And those attachments really work for our cars, especially around the seats around the cars where it's really tight and hard to get areas. Those attachments will work fantastic for those areas. Other things that is unique about this vacuum is it does have a HEPA filter built into the dustbin, so when it's releasing air back out, the air is always clean. It's filtered by the HEPA filtration system, so you have clean air. The dustbin is kind of small. I looked at the dustbin online, it looks kind of small, but I'm assuming that if you're using this vacuum for your car, it's usually a light vacuum. You know, you're gonna vacuum your car that's extremely dirty. Hopefully not. But in terms of the design does look fantastic. It has the power option there, a nice grip on the hand, and then it has a fully black design, which means it's not gonna get dirty. So that being said, let's open this up and see what it looks like. So I've already sliced the box open, and inside the box we are greeted with a lid. Open the lid, and this is what we have. So inside the box we have the actual vacuum. It's very lightweight. That's one thing that I love about it. It's very lightweight. It has the Wyze logo there, instructions, how to use it. I'm guessing this is the actual dustbin. So you push on this button on the bottom here. It pops open. This is the dustbin. And then you have the actual filter inside. So there's two levels. First press gives you the standard level, and if you want max power, you press it again and it gives you max power. Very unique system. And let's look at the attachments. That is what I'm excited for. The first attachment is this brush. This actually gets on the seating area, so that this is a very useful attachment. So secondly, we have this attachment. This attachment is very common on regular vacuum. And this is really nice because in your car, especially between the center console and the seat, it's really hard to get any sort of vacuum in those crevices. This is nice because it can actually slide right into those crevices and pick up any dirt that falls between the little gap there. Next, we have the little brush. This is more for carpet in your car. So if you have, once you take your mat out and you have that carpet that's under the car, you would use this brush here to really brush any dirt or anything that sticks on the carpet off, and while it's brushing it off, it's going to suction any dust or dirt that is hidden there on those carpets. So this is a very awesome attachment. We have this attachment, which is the hose. So this hose is what you would need to attach the smaller head, or if you want to attach the brush, you would attach it to this hose here, and then use this hose to connect it to the vacuum. That way you have those an extension arm to get longer into spaces where you can't push the whole vacuum in. And lastly, just some additional pieces included. So the Wyze does provide with a USB-C to USB-A port, which you can use to recharge the vacuum. The vacuum should be recharged within 30 to 40 minutes to get a full charge. And we have the actual charging brick, which is pretty fantastic. This is a 5-volt charging brick. I wish it was a little bit more, like a 20 volt. but it is a 5-volt charging brick. It will be slower to use a charging brick of this sort or this nature. I would recommend getting a 20-volt charging brick, and that way you can charge it at a faster rate. Next, we have something pretty unique. This is actually a bag, and I'm guessing this is the bag to put all the attachments. So you have the attachments when you need them. So let's stuff them all inside. Also, you can switch between the attachment, or you can stick the vacuum inside the bag. Really up to you, but I'm liking that we can fit all the attachments in this one bag, because the vacuum does not fit with the attachment. So it's kind of weird that Wyze would give you a bag and you can't fit the vacuum with the attachment. It's either you choose the attachment to put the bag in, or put the vacuum in and have somewhere else to store the attachment. But that being said, let's go ahead and take this into the car and give it a vacuum and see how it works. So there you have it. The vacuum was fantastic. All the right attachments to clean your car and get the best cleaning experience from a small little vacuum on this here. I must say that I'm really liking how portable this is, and this is something you can keep in your car and just use it whenever you need it. That way you keep your car nice and clean. Hope you folks like the video. Please subscribe, share this video, leave a comment below, let me know what you think about the Wyze Handheld vacuum, and this is something you will invest in. I'm a little bit upset that this does not work with the Wyze app. It is a standalone product that is not as smart in a sense that it doesn't integrate with the app. I wish it had some integration with the app where it can tell you how much charge, how much battery it has digitally, so that way you have a little bit of a planning around the vacuum. However, that is maybe in the future you can integrate that, or a little LCD screen that kind of shows you how much power you're using, how much battery it's consuming. But overall, a great vacuum, inexpensive vacuum, and I love the attachment that comes with it, that you don't have to pay extra. So this is a great product. Please, like I said, subscribe, share, leave a comment below, and hopefully this vacuum gets better with time. We'll see you on the next video.